Say, okay, Brennan, you gonna start crawling now? You wanna go. You're trying to figure out how. Oh, you got those legs moving and those arms moving, but just not at the right times with each other. Oh! Oh, you strong girl. Can you come on over to Mama? And try and come over to Mama? Hi! Hi! And come over to Mama? Here you go. You can do it. Come on. Oh, it's just so far away still, huh? Getting better, though. Oh. Yeah. We just gotta get that belly off the ground, and I think we got it. Yeah. People do that as an exercise, you know. Put their arms and legs up. Oh, good job. Good job. You're moving. But in the end, it's exhausting.